Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla. Here to show you our 1979 Jeep CJ5.
Heck yeah.
This Jeep has undergone a complete restoration with fresh paint. The original 304 engine has been rebuilt, and they've added some vintage air conditioning. This comes with a fully enclosed top and zip-upable doors.
Yes.
But it also comes with the, as you can see here in your video, with just the top and just the doors with no glass. It has a Bluetooth stereo system upgrade in it. And everything works as it should. Very nice CJ5. 3-speed manual.
Very cool. All right. Let's get the engine cranked up. We'll take a look at that, take it for a spin, and then we'll follow it up lastly with some video footage of the undercarriage. Stay tuned.
Here we are, we're at a 79 CJ5, 3-speed manual. Has its original 304 V8 engine in it. It's an all original drivetrain. Sorry about that, folks. Not sure exactly what I did there, but we're good. On our way.
I've got the windows unrolled here. Got the soft top on. We've got another, what is this back here? They've got the other doors, the,
Oh yeah,
I don't know what the difference is.
It's a half of a vinyl top. I think.
Oh, okay.
Just the back half.
So yes, there's got some other attachments there.
Everything works as it should on this Jeep. All your gauges work. All your lights work. It's a repaint at some point in time. It's not a super great repaint, but a very nice repaint.
For sure.
Yeah, oops, I'm gonna try to go in reverse. You think I'm on a 4-speed, not a 3-speed. My apologies.
There is an updated stereo.
It's got AC. It's got AC, power steering.
Does this windshield drop down?
Yeah, they all do.
Do they all?
Already got that time.
There we go. She just needs to be ran a little bit.
Clutch feels good. Steering feels nice. Holds the road real well.
Very cool little cruiser. Nice little center box there.
That's
Little back
got a lock
seat.
on it.
Yep, lock box. Very cool. Jeep CJ5, come check us out. Thank you, Shane.